how to log out of your YouTube account on mobile. On this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can log out of your YouTube account on your mobile. So go ahead and open the YouTube account, guys. When you open your YouTube account, I want you to go and to the library section, just showing below your screen. So click on that library section. When you click on that library section, I want you to click on the icon showing above your screen, guys, your profile icon. So click on that. What I want you to do next is to go ahead and click on your name, not manage account, guys. Click on where it says, where it's showing your name, your YouTube account name. Click on that. When you click on that, guys, it's going to be showing you all your YouTube accounts that's already logged in on your phone. So if you want to sign out permanently on the account, if you are signing it out permanently, just click on where it says manage account from the bottom side of your account. Click on that. When you click on that, guys, you can go ahead and just click on remove account. So when you remove the account, it's not going to be showing you anymore again. So that's one step of doing it. Another way of doing it, which I would recommend, is to just go ahead and click on where it says use YouTube sign out. So this is going to just log out. It's not going to remove the account totally from your phone. So just go ahead and click on use YouTube sign out. When you click on use YouTube sign out, as you can see, guys, the account is sign out off my phone. If I want to log in back, I can just go ahead and click on the icon. When you click on the icon, just go ahead and click on where it says sign in. Click on sign in, you can just go ahead and choose the account you want to log in. As you can see, back login. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.